It's Manchel. Dagenmar, so nice to see you.
Yeah, it really is. Hey, is there something wrong with your equipment?
Yeah. It's the temperature regulator. It's been down for a few days now. I've been calling maintenance.
Oh yeah, about that. We had to let them go.
You let maintenance go?
Yeah, but that's okay. It looks like you've taken care of it.
But how are we supposed to?
Hey, did you hear that we won Manager Team of the System Award? Oh, it's kind of a big deal.
Yeah, aren't you proud of us?
Where are you?
Oh, you like it? It's our new office.
Yeah, that space station was a dump. We do much better work for Malago Prime.
The resorts planet?
Oh, you heard of it? Hey, get this. The company's paying for the whole thing.
Yeah, and that brings us to our next perm.
Listen, guys, I know my numbers have been a little low lately, but...
Wait, what are you talking about? You're doing such a satisfactory job.
Oh yeah, so satisfactory. In fact, we're gonna fire the other dock controllers.
Yeah, and we're gonna let you pick up the extra work.
You're welcome.
Not yet.
Oh no, number 4. Oh, what's his name?
Stuart?
Oh yeah, that's the one.
But is a fat guy?
He's pregnant.
Huh, I thought he was Mormon.
Oh, poor guy.
You know, he shouldn't be able to get pregnant after that long on the station. He was on the station 4 years.
Oh yeah? How many?
He was on the station 4 years.
I know he's been here for years, but how many?
I already said 4 years.
I'm asking how many years he been here for.
And I'm telling you, why aren't you listening? 4 years.
He's been here for years, how many?
I'm gonna dumb it down for you. You ready?
Yeah.
He's been on the station 1, 2, 3, 4
Yeah?
years.
Oh, why'd you just say so?
Did you hear that he wouldn't leave? We had to jettison the whole pod.
You shot him into space?
Hard times. Sometimes you gotta make sacrifices. Sometimes people gotta be sacrificed. Hard times.
Hard times.
Hard times.
Ooh, time for the luau. Oh, the pork here is porktacular.
I can't wait.
I'll have to try it sometime.
Like you'll ever be able to afford it.
That's why you're our favorite cleaners.
On a beach. Nice pork luau. Oh, pork luau. So nice. Nice warm sun. Nice warm sun.
Temperature at terminal level.
Hi, I'm Brian Graves, or, as you may know me, Curtis from Space Dock. That's right. I'm here to ask you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the like button. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your itty-bitty children to watch Space Dock.